How to get started with intermittent fasting. Today we're diving into the world of intermittent fasting, a global health trend that's changing lives. We'll debunk myths, explore its science, and guide you on how to get started. So let's unlock the power of intermittent fasting together. Unlocking the power of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is not merely a diet trend. It's a lifestyle transformation that unlocks the latent potential of our metabolism. It redefines our relationship with food, teaching us not just when to eat, but the importance of when not to. The rise of intermittent fasting, a global health trend. Once an esoteric practice confined to wellness circles, intermittent fasting has burgeoned into a worldwide phenomenon. Its allure? A promise of weight loss, enhanced cognitive function, and improved metabolic health, debunking myths and setting the record straight. Contrary to popular belief, intermittent fasting is not about starvation, but strategic eating patterns. It's time to dispel the myths and illuminate the facts, breaking down the fallacies that shroud this practice in misconception. Understanding the basics of intermittent fasting. At its core, intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. It's not about changing what you eat, but when you eat, giving your body a timely break to rejuvenate. What is intermittent fasting and how does it work? Intermittent fasting is the voluntary abstinence from food for a set period. It triggers a metabolic pathway called ketosis, where the body, in the absence of glucose, burns fat for energy. Exploring the science behind fasting and its benefits. Scientific studies underscore fasting's role in autophagy, the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells, which can lead to a reduced risk of chronic diseases and enhanced lifespan. The different types of intermittent fasting, from the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, to the 5.2 diet, involving regular eating for 5 days and reduced calorie intake for 2. Intermittent fasting is versatile. The 16-8 method, a daily approach to fasting ideal for beginners. The 16-8 method is as straightforward as it is effective, blending seamlessly with daily routines and promoting sustainable health benefits. Eat, Stop, Eat, the 24-hour fast explained. Challenging yet rewarding. The Eat, Stop, Eat approach involves 24-hour fasts once or twice a week, offering a reset button to your metabolic processes. The 5.2 diet, balancing fasting and eating days. This diet demystifies fasting, allowing for normal eating 5 days a week while capping calories on the other 2, facilitating a gentle yet potent introduction to fasting's benefits. Preparing your mind and body. Adopting intermittent fasting demands a mental shift, viewing food as a source of nourishment rather than a constant indulgence. Physical preparation. How to ready your body. Ease your body into fasting with gradual changes, ensuring a smooth transition from your current eating schedule to your new fasting regimen. Setting clear and achievable goals. Identifying your motivation and setting realistic expectations. Understanding your why fortifies your commitment, while setting attainable goals ensures a rewarding journey towards wellness. Creating a personalized intermittent fasting plan. Tailor your fasting schedule to fit your lifestyle, ensuring it enhances, not hinders, your daily activities and overall health objectives. The first steps to starting intermittent fasting. How to begin your intermittent fasting journey. Start with shorter fasting periods, incrementally extending them as your body adapts, ensuring a comfortable and sustainable transition. Gradually, introducing fasting periods into your routine. Integrate fasting into your life gradually, respecting your body's cues and allowing time for adjustment. Navigating the initial challenges, common side effects, and how to overcome them. From hunger pangs to temporary lethargy, learn to navigate and mitigate the initial side effects of fasting with ease and understanding. Tips for dealing with hunger and cravings. Strategize against hunger by staying hydrated, engaging in light activities, and consuming nutrient-dense foods during your eating windows. Planning your meals for success. Designing a nutrient-rich eating plan for non-fasting days. Focus on meals rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats to satiate and sustain you through fasting periods, optimizing your nutritional intake, meal timing and frequency, maximizing the benefits. Synchronize your meals with your body's natural rhythms, eating hearty, balanced meals to fuel your fasting hours. Integrating intermittent fasting into your lifestyle, balancing social events, and dining out. Learn to harmonize your social life with your fasting schedule, making informed choices that align with your dietary pattern. Combining exercise with intermittent fasting. Pair your fasting regime with a compatible exercise plan to amplify fat loss, muscle gain, and overall health benefits. Monitoring and adapting your approach, tracking your progress, tools and techniques. Employ apps and journals to monitor your fasting journey, allowing for tangible reflections on your progress and areas for improvement. When and how to adjust your fasting plan. Be flexible. Adjust your fasting approach in response to your body's feedback, aligning your regimen with your evolving health needs. Overcoming plateaus and maintaining long-term success strategies for breaking through weight loss, stalls. Revitalize your fasting strategy with periodic changes to your routine, preventing plateaus and sustaining weight loss momentum. Keeping the momentum. Tips for sustained success. Maintain enthusiasm and adherence to intermittent fasting with continuous learning, community support, and celebrating your victories. The psychological impact of intermittent fasting. Understanding the mental and emotional effects. Acknowledge and embrace the mental clarity and emotional resilience that often accompanies sustained fasting practices. Building resilience and a supportive environment. Foster an environment that supports your fasting journey, surrounding yourself with understanding peers and resources that bolster your resolve. Frequently asked questions about intermittent fasting, addressing common concerns and misconceptions. From queries about coffee during fasts to managing social dining, we tackle the most prevalent questions, clarifying and enlightening your fasting path. Conclusion: the journey ahead. Reflecting on the intermittent fasting experience. Embrace intermittent fasting not as a mere diet trend, but as a transformative journey towards holistic health and vitality. Staying motivated and embracing lifestyle changes. Sustain your new lifestyle with continuous learning, adaptability, and a commitment to your health and well-being. Dare to take the leap into intermittent fasting with the assurance of a supportive community and wealth of resources awaiting your journey's unfoldment.